Ever wondered how neural networks learn to make decisions? It all starts with something called weights. But what are these weights and why are they so important? In a neural network, we have layers of neurons: input, hidden, and output. But the real magic happens in the connections between these neurons, where the weights come into play. Think of weights as the strength or importance of a connection between two neurons. When an input passes through a connection, it gets multiplied by the weight associated with that connection. For example, if an input value is 2 and the weight is 0.5, the output of this connection will be 1. This output then moves to the next neuron for further processing. Weights determine how much influence one neuron has over the next. During the training process, the neural network adjusts these weights to minimize errors in its predictions. This adjustment happens through a process called backpropagation, where the network learns by tweaking the weights after comparing its predictions to the actual outcomes. Over time, the network gets better at making accurate predictions. Without the correct weights, the network would be just a random guesser. But with the right weights, it can recognize patterns, make decisions, and even predict future outcomes.